Although I wasn't born and raised in Haiti, there's been a spiritual umbilical cord that has always connected me to my homeland. And despite my identity issues as a kid and even as an adult, Haiti and its culture is so much a part of me. But in order to really understand who I am and what Haiti is all about, I needed to search within, and the pieces of my puzzle laid beneath the root, the family roots.
En Haïti, les tout le monde bourgeois, ou bien on a l'argent, ou bien son mulatto. C'est pour ça qu'on dit dans le langage haïtien, nègre riche c'est mulat, mulat pauvre c'est nègre.
When we came here, we saw what we have lost in Haiti.
And this was the worldwide image of Haiti. So as a kid, I didn't want anyone knowing I was Haitian. And I found I wasn't alone in my identity struggle. After my 1993 trip to Haiti, I began a journey to learn as much as I could about my Haitian heritage, and hence a movement within me was born. I found people in my generation that were determined to see Haiti and its image change in their lifetime.
I'm there making frames. I mean, I just landed there. Went on our way to our hotel, and their bodies in front of the hotel. Mothers saying goodbye to their children.
I must admit, I really didn't know what to expect. I mean, come on, this was a country that just experienced one of the worst natural disasters in history and immediately went right into the national elections selecting the new president of the country. But through it all, I was on a quest to capture the changing face of Haiti.
Ou gen gros problème, oui. A di mwen, men c'est blanc.
WPBT, the major public television station serving South Florida, is delighted to be working with filmmaker Rachel Salnav on broadcasting the powerful documentary La Belle Vie, The Good Life. Rachel's personal journey into her Haitian roots speaks not just to Haitian audiences, but to anyone yearning to connect with their past to understand themselves better.
When you go to Haiti, the hardest part is going to Haiti. If you're not connected, if you have this disconnection, the hardest part is going to Haiti. But when you step into Haiti, Haiti speaks to you. And I think that's what it is. As soon as I go to Haiti, Haiti speaks to me.